That's actually one of the Google updates that just happened where you can 3D make anything now easily. Like you thought Blender was crazy. Imagine what the printing for 3D printers is going to be like, or how easy it is to make schematics to just send to China to outsource your idea or your invention. The other thing is how math problems that are like 180 years old, whatever, are now being solved. Like shit.
Mm.
And it's always some weird technical thing where it's like somebody was too conservative about a calculation. Oh, and the AI is like, let's try both ways. Oh, there's the solution. It's funny as hell. Like the human didn't think about like one little thing, but the AI is like thinking about everything at once.
I'm watching a show that is 14 years old, which means that they didn't have the knowledge that we have today on AI and things, right? That is called Person of Interest. And pretty much is this guy that managed to get all the data from cameras and any source that there is. And there is this software application that can predict violent crimes based on yeah, yeah, but it's funny how it's so actual today because this is something that today makes more sense than it would have made 14 years ago because now you know that if you put an AI to analyze all the data collected and follow the patterns, it's not an impossible thing. Like it will be something that potentially maybe is already been done.